Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And I'm gonna be getting back into the bloodlust palette at least one more time. I'm gonna do this kind of look on this eye. So if you want to see how I did this look, stay tuned. The first color that I'm going to be dipping into is Your Majesty, and I'm just gonna apply that below the brow. And then blend it out. Alright, the next color I'm going to go in with is Deviant. And I'm going to put that as close to my brow as I can without muting the white too much. The next color that we are going to go in with is Vivid Mood. And again, I'm just going to apply that as close as I can to the second color. Okay, the next color that we are going to get into is Dungeon, which is a color that I did not swatch and have not used. It is kind of like a dark purple. It was a little hard to blend out, but once you got it working, it came out really nice. I'm just going to use the tip of this Morphe brush with Dungeon, and I'm going to go across the crease of my lid. Alright, when we finally got that blended out, I'm just packing some on the corner right here. And I notice when it's like easier to blend out, I kind of go back in with a Vivid Mood and go on the top corner, and it kind of transitions into like a different purple than the purple I laid up on top, and it came out really nice. The next color we're going to go in is Blood Queen. And we're going to just pack that right next to Dungeon. The next color we're going to go in with is High King, and we're going to put that right next to Blood Queen. And kind of just blending that into Blood Queen to give it that transition shade. And then this one's kind of weird color, but we're going to put Scandal Water right into the corner. And then I put on the House Labs Punk Liner, but I'm going to go in with Executioner, and then I'm going to just line that with the eyeliner that I placed down, just to buff out any imperfections and to like smoke it out just a little bit. Okay, now we can start on the lower lash line, and the first color that I'm going to go in with is Vivid Mood. I'm just going to place that. We'll pack it down first, and then we'll blend it out. I kind of want to just drag that down a little further than the rest of the colors that I'm going to lay down. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but I kind of like dragged it out and gave it like a negative space, so it's a double wing. Next color that I'm going to go in with is Dungeon, and I'm going to place that as close to the lash line as I can and just pack it on. Now that we have that placed, I'm going to go in with Blood Queen and lightly blend out that color, Dungeon. Then I'm going to go back in with Vivid Mood and lightly fan out the bottom of that. Alright, the next color that we're going to go in with is the Shimmer Betrayal. And we're just going to pack that in the corner. And then we're going to go back in with Vivid Mood. And just blend that up just a little. And then for the inner corner, we're going to go in with Beauty Sleep. And just with this whole theme of the palette, and the names, Sworn Enemy, and then Beauty Sleep, definitely gives me the Sleeping Beauty vibes. And the theme of Maleficent. And that was like the real reason why I wanted this palette too. Okay, I added some wings and went in with Executioner again and just added the powder on top and kind of gave it like a glittery shimmer liner, which I am not hating. I really like it. But I'm gonna go in with the corner, take the crown just to give it a different color transition, because for some reason Beauty Sleep is kind of coming out a washed out peachy color more than like that purpley cute pink. It could just be my skin tone, but I was not liking it too much, but I like this a lot better. But now that that is all done, I'm gonna go and apply my complexion products, and I'll be right back. And then for blush, I'm just gonna go in with Royal Pain. And sorry if my voice is a little off, I just noticed I woke up feeling kind of gross, so I might be sick. And then now that that is applied, we're gonna go in with Goldbreaker from Jeffree Star's Brain Freeze palette. And then we're gonna go in with a smaller Morphe brush, the typical highlighter brush that I always use. And I'm gonna apply that to the tip of my nose. And then my bridge. And then next, mascara. Bottom lash mascara. And then we're gonna go in with the Natalia mini lashes. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the Kylie lip liner Koko. I honestly probably could have used the lip liner Ulta Beauty, but anyways, I'm gonna go with Ulta Beauty lipstick. And then I'm just gonna get Bunny and put that in the middle. And this is the finished look. And if you guys did like the video, you can go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, turn bell notifications on so you can keep updated when I upload I can't even talk. Why does this always happen to me? So you can keep updated whenever I upload a new video. I had really fun doing this look, and it's something that I typically don't do, especially the negative space, but I thought I'd try something different. So again, if you guys liked it, I will definitely catch you guys later, and hope y'all have a good one. Bye.